You see in Vrindavan, the temples established by the Goswamis, there's a mixture, there's two lines of service going on there. One is called the Archan Marg, the other is called Bhav Marg. Bhav Marg means the path of love, path of attachment, the path of feeling. So oftentimes in the path of Archan Marg, there's rules and regulations and yama niyam, but no feeling. Although feeling must be there, else Prabhupada said it becomes idol worship. He said when we're doing puja, if there's no feeling, then it's idol worship. It is Galograha. So in the Vrindavan temples there is this Bhav Marg and there is this Archan Marg. So when they offer garlands to Krishna, they don't just say Idam Pushpam, Klim Krishnaya Namaha, Idam Pushpam Malyam, Klim, all these kind of mantras and tantras. They throw some water on it, some Jamuna water on the garland. Then they take the garland that they want to offer to Krishna. And they take that garland and they touch it to Radharani's hand. They touch it to Radharani's hand and then they put it around Krishna's neck. Because Krishna doesn't really care so much for the rose garland, but he cares unlimitedly for the fragrance of Radharani's lotus hand. You go to Delhi and buy lotus flowers and you offer them to Krishna. That's very nice. Very nice expression of trouble and care. But Krishna doesn't care about the fragrance of lotus flower. He cares about the fragrance of Radharani's lotus hand. So when you touch the garland to Radharani's lotus hand, it picks up the beautiful fragrance of her body, Gandharvika. And that garland is offered to her. So this is called Bhav Marg. So this is how they offer garlands.